I tell people in my profession, I have 2 types of cases. Those where they're trying to cut my client off. Well, actually, I'll start the other side. When I'm trying to get somebody on comp, their claim has been denied and we're fighting to get them on. The other half of the cases in this office, of the thousands I handle every year, are cases where they're trying to cut somebody off. So, as we said, they'll get you examined by one of their physicians. Um, they pay their physicians to examine you. Their physician looks at the records. They want that doctor to say you're fine, you're recovered, and they're going to file to terminate your benefits. Sometimes the doctor doesn't go that far and he says, well, they can go back to some modified duty. They can do light duty. Our doctor on our side says, no, 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 no. We don't want them working at all. So that's a typical fight where we have a doctor on their side of the fence and a doctor on my side of the fence. One says we can't work, one says we can. We litigate that issue. The employer might offer a job. The employer has an absolute, even if they actually terminated you, they have the absolute right to offer you another job. So if you get a release by an insurance company, even though an insurance company doctor, even though my treating doctor says, no, you can't work, guess what? They're going to offer you a job in a light duty capacity 9 times out of 10. They want to get you back to work. They don't want to pay you workers' compensation benefits.